Now we'll learn what are corresponding angles. Here in this picture you see two lines, that is L and M, intersected by this transversal. So here is the transversal intersecting both the lines. When this transversal intersects the lines, 8 angles are formed. Let us mark these angles. So I have here, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, we have angle 3 here, we have angle 4 here, and down here we have angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Now we go back to the picture. We know there are 8 angles formed. Now we'll mark the corresponding angles. Now look very carefully. Look at angle 1. This is angle 1. And angle 5 are corresponding angles. So angle 1, and they're always equal. If the lines are parallel, they're equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 5 because they are corresponding angles. We'll mark them in this picture, in this next picture. See, there is angle 1 here and this was my angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5. Now there's another pair of corresponding angles. Here we see angle 2, and by now you'd have guessed angle 6 are corresponding angles. So angle 2 equal to angle 6 corresponding. We'll mark the same angles in this picture, and here we see it is angle, here is angle 2 and angle 5. These two are corresponding angles. Another set, we have angle 4 here, angle 4 and angle 6 will be corresponding. So we have angle 4 and angle 8, not angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8 will be corresponding. We'll mark them in this figure. Here angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding. Now we'll go to another pair, and then angle 3. Here we have angle 3 and angle 7 will be corresponding. So angle 3 equal to angle 7, and here we mark them again. Angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. In this next picture there are 3 lines that are L, M, N that are parallel, and here we have the transversal. Let's mark the corresponding angles in this case. So we have this angle will be corresponding to this and will be corresponding to this. So be sure all these 3 angles will be equal. Now on the other side we could mark this angle will be corresponding to this angle, will be corresponding to this angle, and they'll all be equal. Now we have here, there were 4 angles at this point. We have this angle will be equal to this one and will be equal to this one, and they will be corresponding. Then we have this angle will be equal to this one and will be equal to this one, and that would be corresponding. So all these angles are equal because they are corresponding angles. We learn more different kinds of angles, 2 more kinds of angles, but now you should know how to identify corresponding angles. And remember, the corresponding angles are equal only when lines are parallel. If the lines are not parallel, the corresponding angles are not equal.